hope you all are doing great. In my last video, I showed you how to make crispy loki fry in the air fryer. If you hate bottle gourd, you will love this recipe. So if you missed this recipe, do check it out. The link is in the description below. If you're looking for air fryer and instant pot recipes, you have come to the right place. Today, I'm so excited to share this healthy breakfast bite. This is great for school-going children and for those busy moms who are looking to have something quick after morning workout. This also helps boost your energy and mood. You know, the store-bought breakfast cereal is easily available, but you never know what ingredients are good or bad for you. This is protein-packed, gluten-free snack, easily made at home. There are some tips, so keep watching until the end and let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. For this, I'm using Medjool dates which I got from Costco. Cut open and remove the seed. Certain dates can be bad, so it's a good idea to make sure each one is good from inside. Instead of refined sugar, it's better to sweeten with natural ingredients. These are a good source of fiber, potassium and natural energy. If you're a beginner in cooking, use a measurement cup for an idea. I'm using around 8 to 10 dates. You may use any dates that are easily available in the grocery store. To this, add warm water and leave it for 30 minutes to soften. This is a tip. Some dates can be hard, so soak it in warm water for your cooking needs. Then take a small square pan, roughly around 6 inches. Grease and place a parchment paper, leaving more on both sides, just like this, so it's easy to hold or lift from the air fryer basket. Now let's start getting the ingredients. I'm taking 1 apple. Apple should be crisp and not soft. Cut into small pieces. Then take half cup rolled oats. These are sprouted rolled oats which I got from Costco. You may use any rolled oats that is easily available. It's been half an hour. Look at these dates. They are soft and ready. Save the water. I'll tell you when to use. Let's start adding the dates into a food processor. These are edible sweet fruits of the date palm tree, which makes it a great natural sweetener. Did you know that they help lower cholesterol and boost bone health? To this, add half cup rolled oats. Oats are also heart healthy. Also adding 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, not only for flavor, it has anti-inflammatory properties. Use organic cinnamon powder. Then add 1 teaspoon ginger powder. It also has health benefits and helps with digestion. Half teaspoon nutmeg powder. Turn the pulse mode and start blending together. Next, add the apple pieces. Which kind of apples do you like? What type of apples are popular in your country? Let me know in the comments below. These apples are crisp and juicy. Into this, add half cup of almond flour. Into this, add the dates and oats mixture. Remember, I asked you to save the water. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Pulse together. Add 1/4 cup of walnuts and grind to a coarse thick paste. I would suggest to pulse. If it becomes a smooth paste, add more oats or almond flour. Once done, remove and transfer it into the pan. The texture should be thick and not smooth. There could be little chunks. It's absolutely fine. It has all the good stuff. Kids will love it. I also have made several healthy cookies in the past. Do check it out. Just make sure they are evenly spread. Have you tried organic hemp hearts? This is a superfood I love to add in my recipes for additional protein. Generously sprinkle the hemp hearts on top. Keep watching. I will be sharing more about this and the health benefits. There, it looks beautiful and ready to be air fried. Place the pan inside the air fryer basket. Tuck in the parchment paper sticking out. I'm making this video holding my phone in one hand and lifting the air fryer basket with the other, so the clips may not be perfect, but my recipes always turn out great. Set the temperature to 350 Fahrenheit and the time for 20 minutes. Each air fryer setting is different, so make sure to check on it after 12 minutes. It's been 12 minutes, looking great, but not done yet. It looks golden brown. Wow. Now let's put it back and continue to air fry for a few more minutes. Now let's see. This looks well done. Let it cool down and then cut into small squares or bite-sized pieces. Then refrigerate for 4 hours to set. You can store it in fridge for a week. Enjoy this healthy snack each day. Oats, apple, almond, walnuts and dates to boost your energy, keep you going. Additional protein with hemp hearts makes it nutritional. Good for hair growth as well. Did you know that 3 tablespoons of hemp hearts contain 10 grams of protein, essential amino acids and healthy fats? Try it and let me know. Also check out beetroot apple burfi recipe. The link is in the description below. This turned out so good that your family will thank you and your body will be grateful to you. Perfectly cooked in the air fryer, it melts in your mouth and so delicious. Dates are really good. They are fiber rich and packed with nutrients. Okay to eat as long as you're not diabetic. If you're diabetic, watch how much you eat. School-going children who are not diabetic, this is great. And for those moms who are looking to boost their energy and mood and have a healthy quick breakfast bite, this is great. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook for healthy meal ideas. Keep shining, keep smiling. Stay tuned for another exciting recipe and don't forget to shine with Shobs.